my good friends. Larry Baronis here from Fort Worth, Texas. Welcome back to the show. A really big show here with Larry's Fountain Pens Review. Thumbs up, a lot of peace, a lot of love, and a lot of virtual hugs coming your way. Okay, let's get with it, my friends. Here, we're supposed to be bonding together and having some fun, and that's right up my alley. So can you dig it? I knew that you could. Okay, today's pen has been sponsored by the one and only Mr. Announcer!
Yay!
Yay! Yeah! Okay, oh, you gotta have one of these. Banana! Alright, gotta have them. Love these guys! Alright, here we go. Settle it down. Cool, I don't know how to settle it down. Alright, and here is this beautiful, stunning ballpoint pen. Not just any ballpoint pen, but the ballpoint pen. This thing's got class going all over it. Let's get a real good close-up of this pen, please, sir. You got to show everything about this pen. This pen has so much detail. Handmade ballpoint pen. Handmade. Beautiful. Is it not? Look all the work done here at the top of the finial. And it's got the green jewel out here on top. Just stunning. Now, the material used for this pen, which is the
Celtic twistwood, I believe.
Celtic cross twist pen ballpoint. The material used to make this pen by hand is acrylic, resin, brass, and metal. And I wouldn't mind telling you that, you know, I'm no expert on this, but a lot of work went into create this ballpoint pen. Just look at the colors in that barrel. Beautiful. Really look, and look all the detail that's done in this pen. If we can get a real close-up of this, then we're going to go down to the cross. Isn't that gorgeous? That's kick, isn't it? Monster kick. I love it. And at the top of the finial, look at that. Beautifully done. That's all that brass done. Oh, look at that. All the brass in here. Beautifully done. The detail. And down the barrel to some more brass. Just, it's all about detail in this pen. And I love the jewel on top that matches the barrel. All of this works together very well. It's like putting on a glove that fits well. So now let's go down here and we're going to open it up. And it unscrews right down here. Okay. And it has a little spring. You don't want to lose that. And there is the barrel that fits in your beautiful ballpoint pen. Now, it looks to me maybe a Parker might be able to able to fit it, maybe. But these, I've seen these at the office supply stores as well. So they should be easily found with no problem. And I'm sure you can even use the roller ball if you don't care to use the ballpoint. So let's put this little jewel back in here with the spring. Don't lose the spring.
And I apologize to the fountain pen purists out there. I know this is just a ballpoint pen, but I fell in love with the look of it and had to have it.
That's right. And there's people out there that love ballpoint pens, gel pens, rollerball pens. I like them too as well. So this is beautiful, stunning. I would be glad to write with this. So let's talk about the clip. It has a nice spring to it. And we're going to go ahead and try to put this on my shirt. And not a bit of problem whatsoever. And it's nice and secure. That's a cool thing. Yep. So it's a twist right up here. And you close it up right there. So the length of the pen from the top of the cap to the bottom of the point of the pen would be 5.11 inches. the girth. The widest part of the pen is going to be right about in here, coming in at 0.64. And the weight of the pen is going to be 51.4 G's. So let's take this pen for a spin as I knock all the lights over. Okay, here we go. Are we ready? And this is a ballpoint. Nice. No problems with the ink flow on this. And it does lay down the ink for a ballpoint. That's really cool. Look at that. Just lays it down. Downstroke, cross stroke, downstroke, cross stroke. There you go. Yep. It's got really good ink flow on the ballpoint pen. So there you have it, my friends. The Celtic Cross Twist ballpoint pen with the beautiful acrylic resin and made by hand with all the beautiful brass detail in the ballpoint pen. Just really nicely done. This pen just really looks so cool. Very cool. The Celtic ballpoint pens, in my opinion, they stand out because of all the detail, the look they have on it. It's just a cool looking look, I think. Folks, that's going to do it for today's pen review. And as always, stay safe, a lot of peace, and a lot of love, and even some virtual hugs for each and every one of you. Stay safe out there, my friends. And as always, don't text and drive. Wash them hands. Bye-bye.